Hey everyone, this is Mr. Mulla with just your lesson plan for the day. So 2 things that you need to get done today. First, when you go into Project Lead the Way folder here. So today is Tuesday, February 1st. So first thing I would do is fill out this 3D printing form. Everyone needs to fill this out, no matter if you're getting something 3D printed or not. So last name, first name, you are in 6th hour, 5th hour on B days, okay? And this question here, I would like to either print or not print anything. If you're just gonna throw out the thing, then don't waste the time and the money that it'll take to 3D print something. Just say you're not gonna print anything. Let's say we'd like to print something, okay? So I'd like to print and I don't wanna make anything, so I'm gonna 3D print that cube and sphere or the puzzle or the bolt and nut combo that a lot of you have been playing with. So let's just say I want to do that. Click next. And that'll ask you which one do you want. Okay, I want the cube and sphere. And I want it in true blue. Then you would hit submit. Okay, let's pretend we're doing something that's not on there. So something I would like to personally design. So this would be like your keychain. So here, the next question here is what was the file name? So you're gonna go over to Tinkercad. Here's my keychain. Up here, there's a plus sign. So you're going to share that link with Mr. Cernahouse. So put that in there. And so now Mr. Cernahouse, when you hit submit, will get that link that says, this is what I want printed, and it'll have your item there. Again, select the color, hit submit, and so you're done. So everybody needs to fill this out. Even if you're not getting something 3D printed, just select you're not getting anything 3D printed. Okay, the other one in there is your design notes for 2-4, so what we're doing today. Okay, so our next project is going to be building that wooden puzzle cube that a lot of you have seen on my desk and played with. So there's notes on it for all the vocab. Make sure you are paying attention to the design requirements. Okay, it's a cube, it's a 3x3 cube, so you're using 27 cubes there. Okay, on Thursday you'll get plastic cubes to build it out of to make sure that your cube actually makes sense. Okay, also on Thursday you will start drawing your cube. So like if you look at this example here, well, are there any cubes that you wouldn't like to draw? So I wouldn't make anything super complicated. Yes, it'll be tough for everyone else. Yes, it'll be cool to have it, but as long as you're willing to draw it, that's fine. But be aware you're going to have to draw all these as well. Also be aware of what they can be made out of. So we need 27 cubes. You can't have just like a 1 cube there. Obviously, we're going to know where that goes. So you need 5 different puzzle pieces, and they need to equal 27. And your puzzle pieces either need to be 4 pieces, 5 pieces, or 6 pieces. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 equals 27. Or 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 27. So those are the 2 different combinations you can have for your puzzle cube. So once you are done filling out those notes there from Schoology, I would start thinking about what kind of design you would want for your 5 different puzzle pieces. Again, there's an example here to go off of. And this is one of those lessons where it's tough to fall or catch up once you get behind. Next week we're going to start, gluing and sanding this. So if you don't have like your design stuff done this lesson, well then what are you going to glue and sand next week? So it's important that we all stay on track and on target so that these can get made.